My first cocktail is gonna be the easiest. That's a screwdriver. It's based with two ingredients. One is vodka and orange juice. So all I'm going to do is start with a glass of ice. I'm using a spin-off vodka. You can use any liquid vodka which you like. I'll be using a spin-off. So all you need is 60 ml of vodka. I'll list link to the chart where you can convert from ml to cl and 2 ounces. So it's much easy for you to get it down wherever you're doing it. So 60 ml of vodka. And orange juice. Spoon, do the slight stir, and to complete it, all you need is orange with a cherry. There you go, that's a screwdriver. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. That's it for now. Enjoy life. See you.